What's going on, everybody? We in the kitchen today. The kids are at home because of COVID-19. We're gonna beat this, but while you're at home, you want to do some delicious recipes. I've been doing some simple things that anybody can do. Anybody can do this as well, but we're gonna step it up a notch because we got more time. We in the house, we ain't got nothing else to do. So basically, we're gonna do some tandoori, apple charred tandoori chicken wings. We're gonna put these on the grill, but first of all, we gotta show you how to make it up. So we just season this with some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and paprika. And then we're gonna go on with some Greek yogurt. Need a little bit more than that. A little bit more than that. All right. A little bit more, just a little bit more. All right, very good. Now, we're going to some chili powder. Some garam masala. You can get this at any grocery store. Not a whole lot of that because a little bit goes a long way. Turmeric. It's going to have a pretty color with the turmeric and the chili powder. Some garlic. Black pepper. Salt to taste. And a little bit of ginger. Not a whole lot of this. Alright, so what we're going to do is just kind of mix these all together. You see how that color and everything is getting onto the chicken with the yogurt being mixed in. Make sure you get it all in there good. Apple charcoal baguettes in like a little pyramid, and we're just gonna get these lighted up and we'll show you what that's looking like. Make sure you get the apple, you know what I'm saying? They got mesquite, they got different kinds, but Expert Grill making these apple charcoal baguettes, and that's just off the chain. Some nine, so plain Greek yogurt in a bowl. Take a sip of wine, cause you're at home with the kids out there, so you're gonna need a little something. Now, a little pepper, salt to taste. Then we got all these beautiful vegetables over here, right? So we're gonna go in with some cucumber. This is a cucumber raita. We're gonna use this as a dipping sauce for our wings. And it's basically just a salad. Normally we would have coriander leaves, but it's hard to find those at the grocery store. You gotta go to like a World Market or something like that, or a farmer's market. So we're just gonna use green leaf lettuce, some tomato. She's got the onion. A little more your onion. Alright, that's enough. And then jalapeno. Okay, nice jalapeno. We took the seeds out and the ribs and everything, so it won't be as spicy. But we do want a little bit of spice because it's gonna be beautiful charred with this. We got some fresh mint. It smells good, don't it? Fresh mint that we're gonna break up here. Put in this. Where's our spoon, Elsa? Need our spoon. Thank you. Now we just gotta mix it around. Alright, let me help you. Gotta get it all over. So basically, it's just basically a salad with a lot of yogurt and some seasonings. And then we're just gonna put some more yogurt because we kind of want it to be more like a dipping sauce. Then we just pour it in. There we go. Now you can mix it up. All right, that's good. Now,
I have a lot of yogurt.
Some salt, pepper. And before we get ready to serve it, we'll squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in it as well. All right, so we're gonna let this sit to the side as long as our chicken is sitting to the side. This will go in the refrigerator. The chicken will sit out room temperature for 30 minutes, and then we'll show you how to put it on the grill. Make sure you get the apple, you know what I'm saying? They got mesquite, they got different kinds. But Expert Grill making these apple charcoal briquettes, and they just off the chain. Charcoal is about ashed over, so that means it's hot. You wanna throw some hickory wood in there. Oh no, baby, don't stick your hand in there like that. Lord have mercy. And you wonder why Byron is drinking wine. So we spreaded everything out. We got a little bit of hickory wood to go on top of this apple char. It's gonna give it a little bit of smoke flavor. Go ahead, Elsa, throw it in there. Give me one more. And we're gonna let that cook down, then we're gonna throw our chicken on the grill. Come on, Elsa. There you go. All right, good girl. Now we're just gonna spread it out evenly. Let that get going a little bit. And then we're gonna cook up. So we on the Expert Grill. They got these grills at Walmart right now for $97. So ain't no excuse not to be grilling out. You know what I'm talking about? They got a thermometer on there, so it tell you exactly, you know, what your temperature is. You don't want to be all up in here. You know what I'm saying? You want to be all up in like the 200 to 300 range. Maybe 350 depending on what you're cooking, but we're gonna go low and slow. So we're gonna give it, it's gonna be apple charred. So we got the apple hickory, the apple charcoal. And then we got some hickory chips or pecan wood chips to go, just to give it a little smoke flavor. And that's gonna give it that tandoori taste that you get if you visit an authentic Indian restaurant. And then we're just gonna lay these on the grill like so. And remember, these have been marinating in our little marinade for about 30 minutes, room temperature. Give them the flats, give them the ones I like.
Ooh, this is hot. Ooh, yum.
Don't drop it.
I won't drop it.
Put it back on the grill. Yeah.
This is burger season.
You heard these pork chops. These your pork chops. We ready to take them off, and then we're gonna show you the last step. Talk to me.
Talk to me again. It's pork chop season, y'all. Yum to
You got some beautiful grill marks on there. All right, so now we got some lemon garlic butter that we prepared with some garam masala and some turmeric in it. And we just brush the wings with that as to end it off. You see how beautiful that is. That turmeric gives that butter a pretty orange color, and it just makes it look crazy good and gives it that added flavor as well with the lemon, the garlic, the butter. All right, and the last thing before we end it off is you just taste it. Now, I like the flats, that's just my swag. I'm gonna brush this side too, because I just like that right there. You know. And this is the little raita that we made earlier, you know what I'm saying? A little dipping sauce. Just dip it in there. My God. That's too real. Check me next time.
Oh yes, this is my hand taking it.
Garbanzo bean, otherwise known as chickpeas, that we done cooked down as well. I'll show y'all how to do these another day. Yeah.
Yeah, I wanna do it.
Said he will. What is that?